Puro snacks.
Where are we at? I don't know what.
Chapultepec.
And we are just walking around looking for food. We tried to separate because our experience has been, because we're a big group, there's 8 of us, so every time we try to eat somewhere in a restaurant, they always charge us extra. We just split up and everybody eats wherever they want. And this park actually has Wi-Fi. Thank you, Mexico. I got something, I don't know what this is, but it has tajin, hot sauce, and lemon. Or lime, I guess. But it's really good, I like it. Is it spicy? Chicharrones.
It's like sour because of the salt and tahini.
I don't know what this is, but it looks like a pizza. And then this one got a big cotton candy. This one got the same thing still. Laki na yung lahat. La 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 la. We just got back to our Airbnb and we are rushing out because our flight is at 5:10 and it's super traffic right now. And currently I think it's 3 o'clock, I think. And we're still here and it takes about maybe 40 minutes to get there. So batch 1, the other group has already left and we're just waiting for our pickup. Hopefully we make it there on time. We will. We landed safely. It was a rough ride. The plane dropped twice. It was super intense turbulence. Everybody's clapping because we got here. Hello everybody! We made it! After turbulence.
When we go down really fast, like because of the pressure, like you pass out.
Oh, that's good.
You pass out and then the plane just explodes. Oh, dami kong pinapanood na airplane crash.
Ikaw manonood ng ganon? Ba't mo nagkakaroon ng ganon?
Dahil pinapanood ko paano lumilipad ang aeroplano.
Wait lang, napanood ko to.
Ano talaga yung second na gano'n na bagsak? Sabi ko, oh my God.
Ang lalim,
Like,
no?
yeah. Naiyak tuloy ako eh.
Malalim ba?
Oo, yung second.
Grabe yung lalim ng second. Pinapasigaw yung mga tao. Yeah.
Amiga!
Ay, pamunta.
Amiga! Amiga! Amigo pala.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye! Gracias!
Habol tayo sa vlog.
Guys, I don't know what's going on. Ito naman po ang panibagong kalbaryo. Char.
Guys, hinabol po kami. Hinabol po kami ng plane. Hindi ko alam kung ginawa namin.
We made it! Woo! Tapos...
Oh, yan. Lasang...
Taylor! Oh, Taylor! Oh, ito mag-aerobics ka. Mag-aerobics ka. Nag-Michael Jackson siya. Ayan. Hindi, kailangan yung yung puwet naka-stick out. Yan, ganyan. Ay, nahihiya. Room tour!
Guys,
Welcome to our room! It's actually super big. This is like a resting area, whatever you call that. A sofa bed. Look at that. You can even pull it out. You can literally have a lot of people sleep here, like 4 people. Oh, we have our own robes!
Take it slow with my love for you. I just wanna go wherever you go to. I'ma do you like the weather. Heart is up in the clouds. I wanna feel it forever. I don't wanna come down. Don't wanna take it slow with my.
Nag-play po namin yung The Rest of the Trip. Yun lang po.
Amen!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Dustin! Happy birthday, Dustin!
Seafood, kanin.
Pinakauna seafood, oh. View. Good morning, guys, from Puerto Vallarta. Woo! This is the view from our pool. So last night, I don't remember what you guys saw from me. We arrived at night, so we didn't get to do much. We just ate dinner and then chilled at the beach and then went to our rooms. But today, it's all swimming. We're gonna swim all morning. Oh my gosh, my voice is gone. My voice is gone because I'm having asthma attack, but you know, we shall continue living on.
Like someone told me I'd never see, where the sun shines like sugar, there's no sting from the honeybee. Gonna fly away.
Si Charlie mabagal. Anong gusto mong sabihin? Ako ang masama dito? Ako lahat ang masama. Ikaw ang mabuti. Doon.
Magkaspapaya na sila.
Uy, magbidid.
Wait, magana ulit?
May 300, may 500.
Bayan pa. Okay.
Hey guys, so right now we're just chilling in the pool. Actually, this whole day is very chill. We're just all in the resort. Tonight, we're gonna be going on a very exciting adventure. I will let you guys know what that is later.
Jump ball. Jump ball. Jump ball, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Double team din sila. Dito kay Jerka. O yan, tira. Go, let's go. Sa arms, hawakan niyo yung arms. Sa arms. Yung arms. Ewan ko. Hindi ko score.
Guys,
Papaalam po kami bago namin ma-experience ang
So,
sobrang gandang
we're going
bioluminescence.
to go on a tour, a bioluminescence tour. We're gonna go in the ocean at night. That's what we're doing right now. So we're getting ready.
Say hi. Hello. We're on the boat.
Bawal ka na dito pa!
Ate!
Mom, I made it!
Gusto ko yan! Kaso bumagal! Natatakot ko sa phone. Baka makulo.
It's a turtle! Tortugas!
Whoa!
We're in a cave!
Oh, yeah?
On the point now! Let's go! Tira! Follow mo ba si mga hindi?
Ano, sakto ba yung ano ko? O, pagod na. Mabilis na. Diyan po kami nanggaling. Dibaan. Doon po pasok. Di pa patalo ang aming team.
Hi guys, so we just finished our tour and we're just discussing what our tour is about and our thank you and our experiences. Everybody got very dizzy, like super dizzy, and we're just discussing about, you know, what happened. So somebody, 2 people puked. Somebody got pooped on by a bird. Not just like a small poop, but it's like a lot. Like a lot of poop. And also we barely saw the light. Because it wasn't dark yet. So anyway, now we're having some dinner.
Oh, basic kaya mahinig na ako sa wala na. Ayoko na to. Okay. Thank you.
Baka si Arsen.
Meron ba?
Parang yung
Bangus.
It's a medium well.
Ang dami. Hindi ko na kaya. Yung parang, ano po
The carrot.
pero parang lasa siyang belly.
Anak, it's the carrot.
Don't wanna take it slow, slow, slow.